Hello student, 5th standard maths. Today I teach you topic number 5 subtraction. Their subtopic 5.3 subtraction of two digit number with regrouping, with borrowing, with carry. How to do the subtraction with the carry? Okay, see here. 1 2 example I show you. Okay, 64 minus 38. First one example I teach you. 64 minus 38, how to write? Write in first format, ones and tens. Leave there one line. 64, 6 is on tens place, 4 is on ones place, minus 8 is on ones place, 3 is on tens place. Okay, now see here how to do. First, what you do? Subtract the ones side. Okay, subtract their one side. Now 4 minus 8 is possible. 4 minus 8 is possible. See here, 4 minus 8 is possible. Yes or no? Yes. How? You have 4 chocolate, but your brother want 8 chocolates. You give him 8 chocolate. You have 8 chocolate. No, na? So what you do? You went to the shop. You take their chocolate and then you give to your brother. Yes or no? Yes, na? That also same. 4 minus 8 is not possible. That time what you do? You take carry from next number. Next number means, which is the next number? Tens. Tens place you take a carry. That time what you do? Here first minus 1 do, because of you write here 1 carry. Understand? 1 tens means you got here which number? 14. 1 10 you carry there, na? 1 10, why I said there 1 10? See, you take carry from the ones place for 1. Take carry from tens place for a ones place. Understand? Carry. You take carry 110 from tens place means 6. Understand? All of you understand now how to do? So here you got a number 14. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8. How many is there? 6. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Understand? Why we write here 10? 6 10. You take carry there. 1 10 means here you got 1 tens plus 4 ones means you got here 14 number. Okay, then 14 ones minus 8 ones, that time you got there 6 ones. Next one 5 tens minus 3 tens, you got here 2 tens. Understand how to do? You take carry from the next year. That time you always minus 1 and write their number. Okay, so 64 minus 38 is equal to 26. B1, 80 minus 66. Write in a first chart 80 minus 66. 0 minus 6 is possible. 0 minus 6 is possible. No, that time what you do, take carry from the next number. First there write 7. Here write 1 and this number also write backward of carry. Backward of carry. Okay. 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 6, 2. C1 also I teach you. 52 minus 18. Write there tens, ones. Leave one line. 52 minus 18. 2 minus 8 is possible? No. That time what you do? Take a carry from next number. First there do minus 1, write there 5 minus 1, 4, and here take carry 1 and that number also backward of carry. 12 minus 8, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Understand how to come? Now open your textbook, page number 83. Exercise. Sorry. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. 71 minus 25. This is a ones place, this is a tens place. Okay. Now 7 tens, first one number, minute number have 7 tens, 1 ones, and subtrahend number have which number? 2 tens, 5 ones. 2 tens, 5 ones. Now what you do here? 1 minus 5 is possible. That time you take carry from the tens place. Here you want there 6 and here take carry and this one number right backward of carry. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. How many is there? 6. And 6 minus 2, 4. You got here answer 46. 4 tens, 6 ones means 46. Understand? Now also here same. Tens, ones. Okay. Here 90 have 9 tens, 0 ones. 46 have 4 tens, 6 1. 0 minus 6 is possible? No. That time what you do? Take carry from the tens place. Take carry from the tens place. 8, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 tens, 4 ones means you got their answer 44. You got their answer 44. C1 also. 70 minus 39. First you start from the ones place. Always remembered. Okay, always you do start from the ones place. Start from the backward side, not a forward side. Start from the last number. Addition also, subtraction also, multiplication also. Okay. Only division also come to the forward numbers. First one numbers. You start from the left side. Your hands left side, not numbers left side. Your hands left side. Okay. 0 minus 9 is possible? No. That time you do the carry. Take a carry. 7 minus 1, 6. Why? We take here carry 1. Right? 0. 10 minus 9, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 53 minus 24. 3 minus 4 is possible? No. Take carry. That time also you do the minus 1. This number write on carries backward. 13 minus 4. 9. 4 minus 2. 2. Here 60 7 minus 39. 7 minus 9 is possible? No, take carry. And here do minus 1. 17 minus 9, 8. 5 minus 3, 2. F2J is your homework. F2J is your homework. Understand? Now, 5.4. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping. Okay. How to do without regrouping? See here. Subtraction of 3-digit number without regrouping. Without regrouping means without carry. See here. 3-digit number means what? There is in a ones place, tens place, and then 100 place. Okay. Now 846 minus 323. Okay. Now see how to we do. Subtraction, you start from the which side? Ones place. Okay, ones place. 6 minus 3, 3. You start from ones. 6 minus 3, 3. Then you went to the tens place. Go to the tens place. 4 minus 2, 2. Then go 100 place. 8 minus 3, 5. See here, you come to the tens place now. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 3, 5. Understand? Now also one more example I teach you. 908 minus 600. Write ones, tens, 100. 908 minus 600. 8 minus 0, 8. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. Understand? Next one. 764 minus 323. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. Understand? Now open your textbook, page number 84. Find the difference. Find the difference. 487 minus 342. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 3, how many is there? 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 1, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. How to read this question? 866 minus 312 is equal to 554. Understand how to read? Next one, 693 minus 152 is equal to 541. All of you understand? D, E, F is your homework. D, E, F is your homework. Now, open the page number 85. Find the difference and solve in your notebook. First one question, you page number write. Page number 85. First one you write there lesson name. Okay, then write page number 85, then write question number 2. Find the difference, solve in your notebook. Also write. Then A1, 642 minus 231, right? Then write in a chart. 100 tens ones, 642 minus 231. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. B1 also same, right? 400 minus 300. 100 tens ones. 400 minus 300. C1, 800 minus 500. 100 tens ones. 800 minus 500. 300. Understand? All of you understand, na? D1 also, 796 minus 451. Write in a chart. 796 minus 451. 6 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. E1, 748 minus 317. 100 tens 1, 748 minus 317. 8 minus 7, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. F1, 480 minus 320. 100 tens ones. 480 minus 320. 8 minus 2, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. 160. GHIJKL is your homework. Now question number 3. Find the difference. See here. 707 minus 304. 7 minus 4, 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 550. 0 minus 0, always 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. When in the subtraction, that number itself subtract there, that time always answer is 0. 759 minus 333. 9 minus 3, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. Okay, all of you understand? Now? Today's homework, page number 83, 84 and 85 completed. 85 complete there. Okay. Next video I teach you subtraction of word problem. But some there important notes I say you. In the subtraction words problem, which word coming? Taken away, left, how many more than, remained, difference, and given away. Understand which words coming? Taken away, left, how many more than, remained, difference, given away. That time you do the subtraction. That time implies the subtraction. In the addition, which word coming? Total, all together. That words coming, that time you do the addition. You remembered there? Okay, you remembered there. Total, all together, together, and here taken away, left, this is for addition, and this for subtraction, left, difference, more than, remainder. This word coming, that time you do the subtraction. Okay, this is a difference. When I given in the exam words problem together, that time you recognize there these words and these words, where is in their words problem this word coming na, that time what you do, subtraction, and these three words coming, that time you do the addition. Understand? Okay, thank you.